How to increase the speed of slow mobile data in Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly scroll down in your notification bar, tap and hold on the mobile icon signal. Here you need to make sure that the mobile data is turned off and also choose the one of the same which works. After that, also toggle on the feature of auto switch so that if any one of the SIM is not working, it can go to the other SIM. After that, simply go to data uses. In each one of the SIM, go to data uses limit, toggle off this feature. Once you do, you will not have any problem of slow data mobile. Go to data saving as well and toggle this feature off too. Now make sure these both the features are available for both the SIM. At the bottom, go to network access and provide the access to the application where you have not allowed mobile data permission, as that can also be the reason that data is not working for that app. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.